frameworks which we are going to overlook, and we will try some methodologies today just to get some hands-on experience. And how do we compare the methodology and which suits for which framework? Say currently Mars or Madeline, what we do in our organization is a complete waterfall model. We
Mm.
predict what happens. We know what we are buying. We know what we are going to procure from the vendors. We know how much cost it takes. We know how much software we need. So we predict. We very much waterfall method where we know what we have to do and where we have to go. It's
Mm-mm.
completely predictable model. Where the agile frameworks comes when it is you don't know what to do, you do a POC, proof of concept, then you do a minimum viable product. So for that it's very it's very agile allows you to fail and recover very fast. Okay, that's the core principle or core inline. But let's take an essence of how AI tool enhance agile planning, execution, and optimizing, and how the hybrid approach, like both a waterfall and agile framework, how it can scale together. Yeah, this is what we are going to cover today as a basic deep dive into agile frameworks. I hope you got the agenda right. So let
Yes.
me, if there is any doubts or you have any clarification questions, just please feel free to put it on the chat box. We will try to answer it whenever we take a break or we pause for a minute. Yeah,
Okay.
because
Okay.
you
Thank you.
you might not able to recollect or when we cut the flow. But if you have any concept wise misunderstanding, feel free to interrupt me so that I can rephrase it. Yeah, if
Okay.
even if I don't know the answer immediately, I will try to get it and I will pass it on our community WhatsApp groups. Yeah, that's not
Okay.
an issue.
Thank
Like
you.
we are not we're not getting a deep dive without any oxygen cylinder. We are deep diving it, but to know how the essence of agile frameworks looks like, because 48 percentage of your questions or PMP questions will be based upon your agile frameworks. People
Mm-mm.
comes people integrities and people related questions comes with from the agile frameworks. So you should be aware like what it is. Yeah, so let move on to the next slide. um, if you want, you can take a screenshot of it, or
Yes,
after the
I'm
session,
taking
yeah, after the session I can share the presentation to
the
the
record.
inner circle group. i
All
can
right.
i can
Thank
share you the
you.
PPT as well. Yeah.
So we can concentrate.
Yes. So agile value and principle foundations. Okay, there are only four major agile values. Okay, it's